Hey, I'm Adam with Adam's Welding. What I'm going to talk to you about today is something I had lots of questions about back when I got into welding. Was should I just try to teach myself in my backyard? Should I go to a school, or should I get a job and try to get on-job training? And what I ended up doing was I bought a welder, tried to teach myself, and I was making okay welds, but they weren't the best. So what I did then was I went to my local trade school, applied, ended up going there for about a year and a half, graduated with a 4.0 GPA, passed all my bend tests, and through doing that I got to be a lot better of a welder. So then I went out, applied for a few jobs. First one didn't really work out, but the second one I worked at for about 3 months. But one thing I learned at that job was, even if you go to school and you get all the training you could ever need there, once you get on a job site, it's different than school. It will never be exactly like it was in your school. You have different machines, nothing welds the exact same. And when you get there, they might have different ways of doing things than you were taught. I was there for about 3 months, figured out that wasn't the place for me, and I got a job offer at a different place. And see, that's the thing. Once you get into this industry, you make connections. And those connections will get you your next job. Hopefully. If people realize you do good work, you're always going to have a job offer waiting for you. The reason for that is this industry is very word of mouth, and if it's not really about what you can show on paper, it's more about what you can do to show them you know what you can do. And you can have all the certificates and everything you think you need, go to a job site, and that might not be what they're looking for. But if you can go there and do it, pass any test they put in front of you that they want you to do, odds are they're going to hire you. So what I'm trying to say here is, it's worth it to go to school just to learn how to weld, even if you have other stuff you have to learn after the fact, on the job. Because to be honest, there is nothing that is a substitute for on the job learning. You can go to school for all the amount of time you want to, and you will never be able to substitute that on the job learning. Because you're learning stuff doing stuff that you won't be able to learn in any classroom. Now that's just my 2 cents. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell icon to be notified of our future videos. Till next time, keep on welding, folks.